In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop LinkedIn emails. This is something many of us have encountered, an overflowing inbox filled with LinkedIn notifications. Whether it's job alerts, network updates, or other notifications, it can sometimes be a bit too much. But don't worry, in just about 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the process of turning these emails off and reclaiming your inbox. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you have a couple of options to log in. You can either sign in using your Google account or continue with your LinkedIn account directly. Occasionally, LinkedIn might prompt you with a CAPTCHA as an additional security measure to verify that it's really you. It's a simple step to ensure your account stays safe and secure. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile photo there. This is where you need to head next. Clicking on your profile photo serves as your gateway to a range of settings and preferences related to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, the next step is to select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This section is designed to give you control over your account settings, including privacy controls, how you share information on LinkedIn, and how you receive notifications. As you're specifically looking to manage your email notifications, your next move is to click on Notifications. This option is all about managing how and when LinkedIn sends you updates. It's here where you'll find everything related to notifications, including those pesky emails we're aiming to control. Now, dive into the searching for a job section. LinkedIn understands that job seekers have different needs when it comes to notifications. Some may appreciate constant updates, while others, perhaps like yourself, might prefer a quieter approach. Finally, the last step is straightforward. Turn off the notification. By doing this, you're informing LinkedIn that you'd prefer not to receive emails related to job searches anymore. It's a simple toggle, but it makes a significant difference in the number of emails you receive. And that's it. Just by following these steps, you can significantly reduce the clutter in your inbox, making it easier to focus on the emails that truly matter to you. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if your preferences or circumstances change. LinkedIn offers a multitude of notification settings, allowing you to fine-tune exactly what you want to be notified about and how. Managing the balance between staying informed and avoiding email overload is key to a productive online experience. I hope this guide has helped you take a step in the right direction. Remember, reclaiming your inbox is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching.